My name's Chris Barrows. I'm a pursuit lead in Microsoft Consulting Services. This role is part of the professional services side of Microsoft. We have a lot of very exciting, challenging opportunities with a variety of customers on a global and European and country level, and we have teams which engage and get to know those businesses and work with them on a regular basis. Of course, when the conversations become deeper, perhaps drift into a little bit more technical area, it's important to bring on board specialists from elsewhere in Microsoft to support those conversations and support those teams in those initial business conversations. So this is the point at which we use this role, this pursuit lead role, which is to organise, orchestrate and bring together those deep technical specialisms which will enable Microsoft to build out a vision and a roadmap and help those customers achieve those innovative goals and aims that they've started to talk and engage with Microsoft about. So it's a great job. It's a great, fantastic opportunity. I'm not sure I sort of started at school with pursuit lead as my sort of target or did an A-level in it, but I've started out in retail, firstly with end user organisations, then moved into consulting in the context of ERP systems, then into multi-channel, omni-channel consulting, again in a retail context. When I moved to Microsoft, I joined as what we call an engagement manager. I think that's a sort of term that is quite regularly used elsewhere in the industry, but it's essentially a kind of account manager, delivery account manager on site, working with customers. And this sort of prepared me for this particular role. So it's moved from perhaps a small number of customers for me personally in the UK, and then this pursuit lead role has given me this great opportunity. It's sort of a breadth across Europe, from Ireland, UK, across to Jordan, and from the Nordics down to South Africa. So it's really expanded out my horizons. So working with different geographies and working in different industries. So as I said, I sort of used to work a lot in the retail space. But this particular role now has given me a great opportunity to work out in financial services, retail as well, of course, but manufacturing, etc. So great opportunities to expand out my experience and my understanding of these other industries. And I guess thirdly, alongside that, those breadth opportunities is working with bigger and deeper pools of Microsoft colleagues. I've never really worked outside of the UK in the context of Microsoft, but this particular role now exposes me and gives me a chance to work alongside talented individuals from all those geographies across Europe. So it's really pretty fantastic to learn from them, different cultures, different experiences, different perspectives. So some really good, excellent pieces about this new role that I'm carrying out. In terms of challenges around this pursuit lead role, I think it's really to do with the fact that Microsoft is here to support our customers achieve the best they can, and that often involves innovation, leading edge developments, and we sort of work on a variety of topics and themes, from Internet of Things to mobile apps to artificial intelligence, and what happens is that those are the conversations you can't really predict exactly when they will happen or what depth they will happen. So it's a little bit reactive, I guess, in terms of knowing quite what you might be doing in a few weeks' time, because we're running at the pace and at the level that the customer is interested in. So I guess that's the challenge, is working at that innovative pace across multiple industries, across multiple geographies. But that's also the other side of the coin, that it makes it so interesting. So yes, thank you very much for your time. My name's Chris Barrows, Pursuit Lead at Microsoft Services. Thank you.